I keep a contract in the back of the car, just in case somebody really wants to make me a star. I get in contact with celebrities, drop a demo with that manager that they'll never see. I guess it's our time, I accept the right time. It's never something that I will find, or you're just being too polite to tell me that this isn't for me. Leave a message saying that you're proud of me. You always thought I was a nobody. I'm tying my shoelaces and I wanna see your faces singing one before I die. Oh, that could turn me down. Wish that you could see me now. Singing one before I die. You already know. And this is not where I thought I would be. Can't even sell 100 and my tickets are free. Just gotta hold on until something breaks. Keep on smiling at the rain and never make a mistake. It gets hard when no one gets the joke that you already know, but you build that shit up anyway. Leave a message saying that you're proud of me. You always thought I was a nobody.